Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat memories not working. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat memories are not working, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your Snapchat and you have to retry to load your memories and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, scroll down your control center and try to refresh your network by switching between your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. So after doing that, you just have to go back and you have to retry. If it's still not fixed, open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. After that, go back, open your app store here, search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find, try to update your app, then go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and enter your iPhone passcode. Then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your network settings, it will be fixed in this step, and after that, you'll not get the issue. Or if you are still facing the same issues, there's the only way. Open iPhone storage section here, look for Snapchat, tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again to offload your app, and after offloading, you have to reinstall the apps. After reinstallation, your issue will be fixed if there will be any bug or any malware, and to your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in this step. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.